Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by getting hardware and accounts ready. First, connect the Xbox HDMI OUT to the Elgato HDMI in and then Elgato HDMI OUT to your TV so you keep pass-through. Next, plug the Elgato's USB into your computer and install the Game Capture software. Sign into your Elgato account if prompted. Once done, power on the Xbox and set the console to 60Hz and 1080p or desired resolution, so the capture card and software negotiate cleanly and avoid. Now you'll configure the capture app for recording and streaming. Open Elgato Game Capture, choose the connected HD60 device as your input, and set resolution to match your Xbox output while selecting 60 FPS for smooth motion. Make sure HDR is enabled or disabled to match your console settings to prevent washed-out colors. Then, configure audio. Route Xbox game audio to the capture card, add your microphone as a separate track, and balance levels using the software meters so voice sits above game sound. Finish by testing recording and preparing for streams. Hit record to capture a short 30-second clip. Watch playback to verify video quality, audio track separation, and lip sync. If streaming, add the Elgato as a source in OBS or your platform's software and apply bitrate and encoder settings appropriate to your upload speed. If issues appear, restart devices, swap HDMI or USB ports, disable HDR on Xbox temporarily, and check USB bandwidth in Device Manager. These steps resolve most black screen or audio sync problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.